Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the drive is visible to the system. Open Disk Management or Run Disk Part. List disks to see the uninitialized device. If the disk shows as offline or unknown, right-click to bring it online. Do not initialize yet if recovering data. Once done, note disk size and number so you don't alter the wrong drive. Make sure to disconnect other external drives temporarily because you'll be choosing the target disk for initialization in the next step. Now you'll initialize and prepare the disk for use. In Disk Management, right-click the disk and choose Initialize. Pick GPT for UEFI systems or MBR for compatibility in small drives. If Disk Management fails, open Elevated Command Prompt and use Disk Part. Select Disk N, clean this erases data, and convert GPT or MBR. After conversion, create a new simple volume, assign a drive letter, and format typically NTFS for Windows. Once formatted, the drive becomes usable and shows in Explorer. Finish by verifying the disk mounts and transferring a small test file to confirm stability. If the drive still won't initialize, make sure cables, SATA/USB port, and power are good, and that BIOS/UEFI detects the disk. Reset or swap cables and ports. If errors persist, try the manufacturer's diagnostic utility or run chkdsk on accessible volumes. And one key troubleshooting tip: stop and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.